Hello and welcome back everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com. Today we have our color matched handlebar end caps for the 2020 newer Can-Am Spyder RT models. These handlebar end caps are manufactured from billet aluminum right here in the USA and are available in a variety of different OE colors to complement your Spyder RT paint scheme. And as you can see, once installed, these handlebar end caps replace your factory black end caps with a subtle pop of color that looks custom and classy. Now the installation only takes a few minutes and reuses your factory hardware for an extremely simple install. So now follow me as I walk you through the installation process on our Shop 2020 Spyder RT. So start by using a 5mm Allen wrench to unscrew and remove your right-hand side factory handlebar end. Now you'll notice on the back side of the new bar ends that there's a slight difference between the two. Now that's because one is for the left-hand side and the other is for the right-hand side. So since we started on the right-hand side, we're going to use the thicker one and install it first on the right-hand throttle side by simply reusing the factory screw and tightening it down until it's nice and snug, making sure not to over tighten. Then twist your throttle to make sure it spins freely before repeating that same process for the other side. And there you have it, folks. So if adding some color matched end caps to your Can-Am Spyder RT is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set for your bike. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Until next time.